Excuse me. I stopped in at Wendy's. I decided to get some chicken fingers or some chicken tenders. Let's see what we got. I got these right here. Right here, there's 4 of them. Guess how much? $9 fucking dollars. $9 fucking dollars. Yes. Yes, $9 fucking dollars. Now it's time for taste test. Boop-dee-doo, boop-dee-doo, boop-dee-doo-dee-doo-doo-doo. Oh, these bitches is hot too. Just a run in the mill. Ain't nothing really to talk about. Only if you're hungry. Those chicken tenders? You smash or pass? Oh, no. Pass.